In this video, I'll show you how to buy fractional shares on Robinhood step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. In order to buy fractional shares on Robinhood, first open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you can either search for the stock you want to buy using the search icon at the top, or select a stock that's already in your portfolio. After selecting the stock, tap on the Trade button at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Buy to start the purchase. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option to buy in shares or dollars. If you want a fractional share, choose either option depending on how you want to invest. If you select shares, you can enter a decimal value like 0.1 or 0.01 to buy. If you can accept a share, then simply enter the amount of a single share. If everything looks correct, swipe up to submit the order. If you want to make this a recurring investment, tap on Conditional Orders or the Recurring Investment option. Here, you can set how often you want to buy the stock, such as every market day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. Enter the dollar amount for each recurring purchase, select your funding source, and confirm the schedule. Once submitted, your fractional shares will appear in your portfolio. You can track your investment like any other stock, and gains or losses will reflect proportionally based on the amount you invested. This is a great way to invest in expensive stocks, even if you don't have enough to buy a full share. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.